Hey guys, it's Katie here, and in this video I will show you how to verify your domain with Facebook. Facebook just recently released an update that requires you to verify your domain with them in order to run Facebook ads. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you exactly what you need to do to verify the domain. So the first thing you'll need to do is basically just type in business.facebook.com, and it'll take you to your business manager page and choose the business that you want to verify your domain with. I will go ahead and choose this one here, and let's go ahead and do that. Obviously, if you don't have a business set up yet, you would have to do it first and then just follow these steps here. So the next thing what you'll do is just go ahead and click here and go ahead and click on the business settings on that specific business that you want to add the domain to. And then just scroll down until you see brand safety, and go ahead and click on this drop down here and click on domains. And then click on add the domain. Let's go ahead and put in the domain name here. And then click add domain. As you can see, it says it's not verified, and what we're going to do next is we're going to verify this domain. So as you can see here, it gives us three options on how we can verify the domain. So I'm going to choose the DNS verification one, but it's really up to you which one you want to go with. So let's go ahead and choose DNS verification. And then here it says the steps that I would need to do in order to verify this domain. So it says log into your domain register, and mine is godaddy.com. I will go ahead and sign in. Alright, so let's go ahead and find this domain that I'm looking for here. It's this one right here. Let's go ahead and click manage, and then see what would be the next step. So it says add this to text record in your DNS configurations. So we will go ahead and copy this code here, and then we'll go back here and go to manage DNS. Let's go ahead and click add for the records, and then choose txt and paste the code that we just copied from Facebook. And then it says the next thing, it says add this icon here in the host field if it requires it, and ours does require it. So let's go ahead and add that, and just click save. And let's go back to Facebook, and it does say that this may take up to 72 hours to spread across your website's domain servers. So I will go ahead and just try click and verify right now, but if it's not working yet, I will definitely click it later when the 72 hours are up, or before they're up. I can try a few times. So let's go ahead and try click and verify. As you can see, it already verified it. It sometimes, I guess, can take up to 72 hours, but mine was pretty quick. So that's it. That's all that you have to do to verify your domain in order for you to run Facebook ads without having specific issues with the domain verification process that Facebook requires now in order for you to run the Facebook ads. If you got value out of this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family here. And also, if you have any specific questions about Facebook ads, or setting up Facebook ads, or even creating a website, a funnel for something that you want to promote, let me know your questions below this video, as well as you can go to my website, lendel.com, or click the link below this video and learn more about my coaching and my services here. I offer coaching as well as done-for-you services if you're looking for someone to either guide you through the setup of something that you want to promote, whether it is a product or a service that you want to set up and promote online. And I also offer done for you services if you don't have maybe the time that you need in order to set something up that you would like to have set up online, or you just don't want to go through the learning curve and you need something set up quick. Go ahead and click on services and learn more about my done for you services for you guys. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.